The Ava-matic line. This high-precision 6-axis grinding center is a universal machine that is ideal for machining super hard materials. Nothing is impossible. Indexable carbide inserts, PCD tools, milling cutters and drills down to minute diameters of 0.1 millimeter, or complex rotary tools. The Ava-matic line's concept for success, with its star-shaped grinding turret that consists of 6 independent grinding spindles and a repeatability accuracy of 1 micron, up to 12 grinding wheels can be permanently fitted. The Ava-matic line is modular in design and has a maximum of 6 axes. The kinematics of the Ava-matic line are designed to ensure that the rotary axes are close to the grinding point. Through interpolations, minimum movements result, so maximum contouring accuracy is achieved. With the help of the 3D measuring system, the position of the workpiece is registered and its actual size is measured after machining. To manufacture PCD economically, most of the material is eliminated through erosion. The shape is pre-eroded with an additional allowance of 4/100th and ground to size while still clamped in position. The software controls pressure regulation of the infeed to prevent the programmed maximum pressure from ever being exceeded. This reduces to a minimum nicks on the workpiece and wear on the grinding wheel. Based on continuously recorded pressure and advanced parameters, a regeneration cycle is automatically started if required. Thanks to its integrated dressing system, the Ava-matic line achieves an absolutely precise concentricity throughout the entire production process, as well as a constant quality of the grinding wheel. The custom-designed clamping station holds parts in the same way as they will subsequently be clamped in their tool holders. That means maximum precision and short retooling times. The PEC axis is designed for the economical and versatile machining of workpieces in one clamping. In combination with the 6 spindle heads, several grinding operations can be carried out without any need to re-clamp the workpiece. Complex rotary parts are manufactured with a high-precision dividing head. Its direct drive feature means that indexing of the interpolation in the micron range is possible. The indexing attachment also permits cylindrical grinding at high speeds. For fully automatic loading, the Ava-matic line has a 4-axis robot. Freely programmable, this robot permits maximum loading flexibility. Grippers, pallet inserts, and reclamping stations are custom designed. The robot cell accommodates up to 4 pallets. As many as 10 can be used when a pallet stacker is added. Further options include a drying and cleaning station, as well as an ultrasonic cleaning station. The Ava-matic line, high precision for super hard materials.